and the icon now we're going to give shopping cart. So I guess that things are starting to come as we want them to do. Well, as I don't want the videos to be very long because I'll be making multiple videos, I will just have a goal which we're going to reach for each video. And for our specific video today, we are going to do the drawer. So if you don't know how to do drawers on Flutter, you'll be learning today. Okay, to do the drawer, we'll do this. Uh, Outside the app bar, we'll write drawer. Okay, and for the drawer widget, we're going to give new drawer. And what else? Inside of this new drawer, we are going to create a child. Inside of the drawer, we want to create a child, and the child is going to be a list view. Okay, so you see now why we took time learning about list views and grid views and stuff. Okay, inside of this list view, we're going to write children. Again, if you notice here we're writing drawer child, then here for list view we're writing children. Why? Because for the drawer widget we only have one widget inside of it, the main one. That's why we give a child, because it's unique. We only have this list view, and inside of a list view you can have multiple widgets. That's why we're giving children, and here we're providing the type of the elements of this list. That's why we're giving here widgets. Okay. Usually I like to comment, because when the code is starting to get very large, it's going to be kind of hard to understand what's what. So let's just comment here header, meaning is the header part of our drawer, and then I'm going to give new user account drawer header. You see, this auto completion is very handy because you don't really need to remember how you exactly spell all of the properties. You just give it like that. So inside of here we have to provide two things: the account name and the email. For the account name, we're going to provide text. You can write new text or you can just write text, it's really up to you. Text meaning the name of the user. Now we're going to just write to fix it, but when the application has some backhand on it, it's going to fill these fields automatically from the database. I'm going to give here Santos Enoch. Okay, and another thing we may need to provide here is text. Make sure the T is capital. Text is going to be text what? For the mail, I'm going to provide my mail, Santos enoch.ss at gmail.com. Okay, let's try to save this and see if only doing this is going to work. Okay, we have this. It's already working. We have a drawer already. So you have a reason to be happy now. You can make a basic application with a drawer on it. And you can see that the username we provided here, account name we provided here, is here, and the email is here. Okay, let's continue working. Just to format the code, to rearrange the code, and the shortcut for that is Command Option Shift L on Mac or Control Alt Shift L on Windows, and then enter. So okay, now we have this drawer, but we still have to modify some things here. And to do that, we may need to, I may need to put this on full screen for now. Okay. Delete this test folder. It's of no use. Okay, and the error is gone. If you open your images folder, we'll be looking for a specific picture we're going to use as our profile picture. Let me see, let me make sure I have that image here. Okay, I guess I don't, but okay, I will take care of that. For now, let's just write here outside this widget here. Why does it finish here? Okay, outside of this widget, just put a comma. We'll go down, and now we'll write another widget called, we'll write new. We want here current it wasn't supposed to be here, I'm sorry. We'll write here current profile picture. Okay, now for the current profile picture, we're going to provide another widget called gesture detector. Right, inside of the gesture detector, we're going to provide a child widget, and that child widget is going to be new circle avatar. And here I can just provide background color. For now, I'm going to make it gray. Colors dot gray, for example. Let's run and open our simulator and see if you see. We must provide an image here, but I'm going to do that on our next video because I didn't upload, for whatever reason, a profile picture, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. Don't worry about that for now. Let's try to do something. In here we can also write, let's see how is this going to come, child icon, and in here we're going to write icons dot person, for example, and I'm going to give this color, color, we're going to give this colors dot white. Okay. Now we can just